Hey guys, if you're experiencing a slow or laggy League of Legends client, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to share with you a few quick and easy steps you can take to reduce this lag. So the very first thing we're going to do is actually launch up the League of Legends client, and once you're inside of the League of Legends client, we're just going to head over to the cog icon in the top right hand side here, and we're going to enable this mode here where it says enable low spec mode. So just make sure this is checked, and where it says close client during game, we're also going to change this to always, and then you can go ahead and select done. And then what we're going to do is just minimize the League of Legends client. Make sure not to close it, we just need to minimize it. And then you're going to come back over to the start menu and this time search for Task Manager, and then head over to the Task Manager tab. Now inside of here, come over to details from the left hand side, and we're going to scroll down this list and you need to find the League of Legends client, and we're just going to right click on League Client over here, come over to set priority, and make sure this is set to high, and we can confirm by pressing change priority, and also do the same to this League Client ux.exe, coming over to set priority and changing it to high, and then we can confirm by pressing change priority, and we can then close out of this Task Manager window, and we're then going to head over to our start menu, search for settings, and then tap on the settings tab. Come over to system from the left hand side here, inside of display, and scroll all the way down to this graphics tab. And the first thing you need to do is come inside of change default graphics settings, and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on and enabled, and then we can go back one window by pressing this back arrow, and then we're going to add League of Legends to our applications down here, and you just need to come over to this browse button, and we need to locate the League Client.exe. Now if you're not sure where this is saved, then simply head over to your C drive, inside of the Riot Games folder, inside of League of Legends, and then we just need to select League Client.exe and click add. And once you've added League of Legends to here, then we can simply select the application, come over to options, and make sure high performance is selected and hit save, and you can then close out of these windows. And the last thing we're going to do is head over to our start menu and search for run, and then tap on the run icon. Inside of this search box we need to search for temp and hit enter, and we're going to delete all of the contents of this folder by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything, and then right click on the trash icon to delete it. Now if you get this message pop up, then we can just select do this for all current items and hit try again. If there's a couple of files that won't delete, it's absolutely fine. We can just close out of this folder and then come back over to the start menu and search for run once again. Click on the run icon, and this time search for %temp, %, and hit enter. And once again, we need to select all of the contents in this folder by pressing Ctrl A, right clicking and clicking the trash icon, and then just select do this for all current items and hit continue. And once again, as long as you delete the majority of contents in this folder, if there's a few files left over, it's absolutely fine. We can then close out of this window, and you'll then need to restart your computer, and we can try launching up the League of Legends client. And that should have fixed any lagging issues you were experiencing. Now if this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.